Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm actually just going to be showing you a simple beginner friendly base routine in this video, so keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to actually start with my base first today. So I normally do brows first, but today we are doing base first. So I'm going to start with the ordinary high adherence silicone primer, and I'm just going to apply this all over my face. And I'm just going to apply some blobs all over and then rub it in. And then I'm actually going to color correct, so I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Orange, and I'm going to just use this on the darker areas of my face just to color correct. That's a bit better. And then I'm going to go ahead and use my Fenty Beauty foundation. This is the Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation in the shade 420. Okay, so foundation done, and then I'm just going to do my highlight. So for that I'm using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C12.5, and I'm just going to highlight under my eyes, forehead, bridge of my nose, my chin, and just a little bit around my mouth. Like so. And then I'm using another Real Techniques brush. This is actually a contour brush, but I'm going to use it for my highlight. So here we go. I'm just going to blend all that in. Okay, and then I'm going to blend out my under eye highlight last, just so that it doesn't start creasing before I set my face. And bring it all the way up here. And then the other side. Okay, and then to set my highlight, I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier Translucent Honey Powder. And And I'm going to use the same brush to apply this just because it's much easier. And starting with my under eyes again, just so that they don't crease, I'm going to just apply some powder. Just going to apply it on the other areas that I highlighted, so my nose, my forehead, around my mouth, and the chin. So while that's working, doing its magic setting, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Sunstalker bronzer in the shade Mocha Mami, this one right here, and I'm going to use that just to do a bronze. So I'm going to start with my forehead. As you can see, it's bronzing. It's so much easier to just do a bronze, especially if you don't know how to contour. Do a bronze and, you know, that's it. I'm also gonna just lightly do my nose. Okay, so bronze done. So now I'm going to just go over my whole face, and I'm using the MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus foundation. This is just gonna help to eliminate sort of any harsh lines on my face. Look at this brush, guys. It is absolutely amazing. It's massive. Okay, so that is it for base, and I'm actually just going to lightly set my base so that it, you know, sets in place. So I'm using the NYX Matte Finish setting spray to do that. Okay guys, so that is pretty much my base done. So I'm actually just going to go off camera, finish off the rest of my face. I'm just going to do my brows, eyeshadow, and of course my lips. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I've finished off my makeup. Let me know what you think. Let me know how it looks. If it looks good or if it looks whack, just let me know in the comment section. I did my eyebrows Let me know how they turned out. I mean, I did them after my base, so that's new to me. So let me know if they turned out okay. And I also added some lip gloss and a little bit of blush, if you can see. So yeah, that's the end of this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.